Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters, and this news, it matters. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and yes, Samsung is back in the news again, and another patent has been filed, and nope, it is not about the Galaxy X, and no, it is not about the Galaxy Note 9. This one here is about the possible gears for coming with a blood pressure monitor. Now, Apple was the first one that was talking about it. They filed a patent way back in late last year, and now Samsung has come out with a patent, and this patent shows that the next smartwatch that could possibly come out could have a blood pressure monitor on it. Now, I'm liking this feature because this is going to be able to help a lot of people if Samsung can actually bring this about, because Samsung has put out many patents before that have not seen the light of day, but this one here would definitely be a medical benefit for a lot of people. Now, the health industry sector holds $3 trillion in the industry, so if Samsung could get a pinch of this is definitely going to boost their revenue so far as sales is concerned. So I'm looking forward to this, especially if it could help other people. Now, this particular smartwatch could possibly alert you when it's time for you to go to the doctor when your blood pressure reaches a certain level. So Samsung has figured out a way to make this work, to bring about accurate blood pressure readings back to the smartwatch using some type of different decoding algorithm. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to work and how this is going to play out, and if it's going to come on the Gears 4 or if it's going to possibly come on another type of smartwatch, which Samsung is good for doing if you look at the Gear Sport. All right, you all, listen, hit me in the comment section below. I would really like to know your thoughts on this smartwatch that may come with a blood pressure monitor. Do you think it's a good thing? Do you think it's a bad thing? Or are you in the middle with this? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.